Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will solve some more questions related to exercise 4A. I have completed up to question number 5. So let's just discuss question number 7 and question number 9 of exercise 4A. Alright, so let's just start our journey by looking at question number 7. Here in question number 7, identify the parallel line segments in figure 7. This is figure 7, 1 and 2. This was the first figure and this is the second figure. And we have to find out how many parallel line segments are there in total. So what is the definition of parallel lines? Parallel lines means what? There should not be any intersecting point between two given lines, as well as the gap between the two given lines should be absolutely same. Here you just observe and you can tell how many parallel line segments are visible. So how will you write it? By writing solution over there. You just see AD and BE. AD and BE both are parallel lines. So here AB and DE are the first pair of parallel lines. Next one is BE and CF. Sorry, AB and DE. AB and DE are the first pair, and next one will be BC and EF. So second one will be BC and EF. Third one will be AC and BE, AC and BE, and fourth one will be BE and CF, BE and CF, and last but not the least, that will be AD and CF. That will be AD and CF. Other than that, in figure 1 there is no such parallel lines which are available. So if you just observe the question, that is the second figure, here AB and ED both are parallel lines, AB and ED. So this is the answer of question number 1, and let's just continue with question number 2. So here AB and ED both are parallel lines, AB and ED. Make sure you do put this mark, because it actually signifies whether it is a line or line segment or a ray. After that, AF and CD, AF and CD. There will be another one, EF and BC, EF and BC. So these are the parallel line segments which are available in these two particular figures. So that's all for question number 7. So let's just move around to the last question, or the last question of today's section, that is question number 9. Alright, so we are coming toward the end of this particular session. So here the question number 9 is saying that in figure 9, this is the figure, and find the following: all pairs of intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means what? Two lines when they cut at certain point, or when they intersect at particular point, any common point. So that intersection point is the point of intersection. Here we have to find out all pairs of intersecting lines. So here if you just see that the first pair will be, you can start from anywhere. So let's just start our journey. Here just see, this is the line that is L, this is the line that is L, and one more line is there which is called B, and the intersecting point is nowhere. Alright, fine. So here in this line L and in this line A, the intersecting point is W. If you just observe it carefully, in line L and in line A, the intersecting point will be in W. So that is the first pair. So here all pairs of intersecting lines are, let's just start. The first pair is L and A. Line L, we can write like line L and line A at W. That is the first one. B. Another one will be, this is B and A, which intersect at V. So that will be B and A at V. After that, B and A which intersect at V. After that, if you just see B and L which intersect at P, B and M which intersect at Q, B and N which intersect at R. So we have to write like that. So third one will be B and L at P, D will be B and M at Q, E will be B and N at R. Like that way, L and C at S, L and C at S, L and C at S. So F will be L and C at S. Then another one will be C and M at T. H will be C and N at U. Other one will be A and M at X. A and M at X. A and M at X. Other than that, any other pair which are available, V over P over Q over R over W at W, right? So this will be W at W, S over T over U over and X over. All right. So that is the answer of the first question. That is, all pairs of intersecting lines are this much, right? Write down quickly, and after that we will move on to our next question. All right, in question number 2, here, lines whose point of intersection is W. Line whose point of intersection is W. So this is the point of intersection, which is W. So if you just see, the line will be L and A. So lines whose point of intersection is W are A and L. Are line A and L. All right. After that, move on to the third one. Same question. Lines whose point of intersection will be P. So here L is the first line, which is having the intersection point, that is P, and with whom this line is actually intersected by which another line, that is B. So same way we can write lines whose point of intersection is P are lines L and B. Fourth one will be lines whose point of intersection will be Q. Like that way, easy way. M and B. So same, lines whose point of intersection is Q are M and B. Last but not the least, that is question number 5, and it will be what? It is lines whose, the same questions, like lines whose point of intersection is S. So here S is that line, so it will be L and C. So lines whose point of intersection is S are the lines L and C. Done. Move on to the next part, that is question number 6, all pairs of parallel lines. So it's very easy. The first parallel line will be L and M, and after that it will be L and N and M and N. Simple. So sixth one will be L and M, first pair. Second pair will be M and N, and the third pair will be L and M. So that's all. Alright, so let's just move on to question number 7. So what is question number 7? Collinear points. So here in collinear points, we know that what is the definition of collinear points? 2 or 3 points which are aligned in a given line. In a given line. So that are called collinear points. So here in this line, let's say L, in line L, how many points are there? P, W, S. So like that way, in line L, just put one mark, that is P, W, S. In line M, how many points are there? Q, X, T. Q, X, T. In M, there is no another point which is available for us. Alright, so let's just move on to C. So here in C, S, T, U are the 3 points. So in line C, S, T, U. Other than that, in line A, V, B, X. In line A, V, W, X. So in line B, P, Q, R. In line B, P, Q, R. Other than that, anything that is left over? I guess no. No. STU, yes, have I read it? Yeah, alright. So that means these are the collinear points which are there in a given lines. I have mentioned the line and as well as what are the collinear points that are available for us for this particular line. Alright, so that's the end of this particular exercise. I hope that you have understand what exactly the concept is and how to approach it, right? Other questions which are left over, try to do it in your home. If you found any sort of doubt, whenever the Zoom class will be going on, you just directly ask me. Alright, so thank you and have a nice day, and do it accordingly.